I'm embarking on a new journey and it's called Road to Profits, and I want you guys to join me along within this journey. It does not matter if you're a trader or you're a business owner or whatever endeavor that you have picked. Join me within this journey so we can ride along together and achieve success. I'm going to be going from an unprofitable trader who has started trading 7 months ago and has been unprofitable and who's looking to go towards profitability, yeah? And if you haven't watched my previous video from yesterday, I talked about the emotional cycle of change, yeah? And I was deep in it and I was gonna quit with this, but I realized no. And I'm gonna be sharing everything that I gained from this, every knowledge, every bits of it I'm gonna be sharing to you guys, from all the hardships and from all the lessons that I attained from this. I wanna share it to you guys and I wanna be as transparent as possible. And within this road to profit, I'm going to be documenting my trades and the trades that I've taken, my setups, everything, every day on YouTube. And it's going to be a long form breakdown. Whilst on TikTok and Instagram, I'm going to have it as a short form. So that way I can reach a broader audience. And that's how I'm going to be marketing this road to profit thing, that I would just want you guys to join along with me. It does not matter what you do. I will say it again. It does not matter what you do. If it means you starting your gym journey and you want to get fit, it applies to everything. Everything acquires discipline. And since that's out of the way, I want to show you guys the potential trade that I had today, but I missed it, yeah? And it is what it is. It's just like the name of the game. There are certain days that you're not going to eat and you have to accept it. Like, certain days the market's not going to give you shit. It's not going to care about you and you have to accept that. And there's losses, there's missed trades. It is what it is. This is what it takes. So as you can see, we have been in consolidation and we went bearish and we were looking for a trade which I missed. Within my strategy, understanding the lows of the Asia is important for me to get a successful trade. So let me go down to 15 minutes chart. I'll show you the trade that I had. So as you can see, we had the sweep of Asia and then I expected for my entry right here, which I missed. All right, this is of course done after. This was forward tested. This is the name of the game and this was the first day. We're going to be getting more opportunities. I had my TP over here. We had 19 pips and 6.4 stop loss. So like risking 2%, which was, fair enough. Starting with my $100 account, I'm not trying to flip this. I'm not trying to gamble my $100 account to $1,000 account because that's the goal. I want to get it to $1,000 account, and if I want to get it from $100 to $1,000 account, I do not want to gamble it, and I want to do it safe and sound. I don't know how long that's gonna take, but I will document it, and hopefully we will also document us getting funded and everything that's coming along the way. So stick around, and I'll see you guys at the top. Ciao.